I'm sure you've heard the news, missiles flying, headlines blaring. But what actually happened between Iran and Israel overnight? Iran's Revolutionary Guard says its aerospace force launched effective operations on Israeli intelligence sites right in Tel Aviv. Aman's headquarters and a Mossad planning center were the main targets, with reports of flames engulfing parts of the facilities. The strikes are part of Operation True Promise 3, Tehran's vow to deliver, quote, precise and painful blows to Israel. Israel hasn't officially confirmed the hits, but military censorship was quickly slapped on the Gilad and Herzliya areas, both linked to Israeli intelligence. These strikes come as the latest escalation in a brutal 5-day exchange that's seen Israel attack over a dozen Iranian sites and both countries suffer casualties. The IRGC warns their destructive operations will continue. The world is watching. Will this conflict keep boiling over?